Thank you for contacting KBB Replacement Doors Limited. We supply your kitchen, bedroom and bathroom doors replacements to whatever size and style and colour you want. Today we're going to talk about how to measure your kitchen, bedroom or bathroom door. And first of all, the basic things you need to measure your doors are three basic items: your measuring tape, a notepad and your pencil. The best way to measure the door is to measure the door from the back, because you get a more accurate measurement sometimes because the door may have a round at the front. So you open the door and measure first of all the height of the door. So the height of this door is 715 millimeters. Always please specify in millimeters. And then we go to the width of the door, which on this occasion is 445 millimeters. So again, type that. We always ask for the height first. Then we move to the handing of the door, which you will see for drilling purposes. Sometimes the doors will be handed. So on this occasion, this door is a left-hand door. We always look at from the front when you're given the hand. So this door is left-hand because when you look at the front, the hinge is on the left-hand side. So this door is a left-hand hinge door. Whereas this door here is a right-hand hinge door, opening from left to right. As you can see, looking from the front, the hinges to the right. So then how do you measure for the hinge hole dimensions if you want us to specify and put in the 35mm hinge hole? Simplest way I've found is take your pencil and we're measuring to the center of the circle and put a slight line there and a slight line there, which will tell you this is the center of that circular 35mm hole. Then you put your measuring tape on, and on this occasion it's 75 millimeters. And for the bottom hole, again, it's 75 millimeters. So you then fill that dimension into the website or specify on your email. Now on bedrooms, sometimes the doors are taller, so you will have two extra hinge holes. So for kitchens, generally you only have to fill in, and bathrooms only fill in holes 1 and 2 because they only have 2 hinge holes. But for bedrooms, you may need 3, 4 holes. So you fill in the additional holes 3 and 3 to be in the center for a bedroom door. Thank you again for contacting KBB Replacement Doors.